These are the new Apple Silicon Cases colors for the spring of 2024. I almost said 2023. Time's moving so fast. This time they rolled them out a bit early than usual, and they're kind of pale colors. We've been seeing more and more pale colors across the whole universe, beige and off-white and minimalist colors that we're not seeing any poppy colors like before. Like the world is just turning down its saturation for some reason. They do look springy, they do look very fresh, so let's get them open. We have here light blue and we have here soft mint. Okay, nice names as always. Sunshine, interesting name, and last but not least, pink. Just, you know, pink. And I want to start with the pink because pink and blue here will look so good together. So let's get starting. Ooh, yes. It's more papery this year, which is good for the environment. Dear Lord, it looks like candy. Oh my God, it's like cotton candy. The smell. I love Apple cases. Ooh, nice. I really love Apple silicon cases. They're not that thick. They're pretty thin, very grippy and nice to the touch. And according to some tests online, they're one of the best with drop tests I've ever seen. I've tested a lot of them before, well, with accidental tests, of course. And so far, all my phones haven't cracked yet. Fingers crossed. They don't. I love the accent button. Also, the rim of the camera is also accented, kind of. The Apple logo, the action button, and the power buttons too. It's all around. It's pretty nice. Also, the blue, very lovely. Let's open the other ones. We have sunshine here. Okay, Apple, you need to work on this. This is not going to be easy to open up. Ooh. Ah, crisp. Box. Oh, it's not like the box. This seems very like a ripe lemon or a leathery lemon yellow. It doesn't look, I don't know if it's the box itself. Usually Apple is very accurate with their colors, but from the inside, it looks so sunshiny. Again, Nikias is very lucky to have such good lemony or yellow cases. Blue is the way to go. Also the same case with the pink. We have also the accent all around. Let's keep the pink here to have some perspective. This color is very trendy these years, especially this year. I've seen a lot of men wearing this type of color, and it's not that I'm not a big fan, I'm just interested to see it around. Also, almost exactly the same as the box. Side. Oh my God, dear Lord, it smells so good. Put the phone in. So nice, so nice. I don't know how dirty it can get after a while, but it is so smooth and nice. By the way, never clean your silicon cases with alcohol or alcohol wipes because they get ruined very easily. Pro tip from a person who tried it before. The last one is light blue. It's interesting to see it, how it's gonna be with the dark blue. Let's see. Very nice. Let's see it with the box. I try in these videos to show you the colors exactly how they are in real life, so you can know for yourself if you want to get, or which one you want to get. It's more of a baby blue than light blue. It's very baby blue. Very nice. Also accent buttons all around. Highly recommend Apple silicon cases. They live for a long time. They're very protective and very smooth to the touch. And if anything happens to the case, you can go back to Apple and ask them for, you know, the warranty, because it has a warranty for 1 year. And you can replace it if anything happens, if it chips or anything. It is expensive, but it's gonna protect your phone very well. I wanna do the color pop with all of them. I have pink, sunshine, soft mint, light blue. Tell me down below which one you like the most. Do you wish we have more poppy colors like before? Do you like the springy, soft, light colors, faded colors of 2024 or not? And if you want to get any of them, which one would you choose? For me, it would be these two because they are the most poppy, and pink with the iPhone blue looks so good. And that's been it for today's episode. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, give it a sub. Thank you for watching. See you.